Tata Power is quietly transforming from a traditional utility into India's renewable energy powerhouse, but can this stock create wealth over the next decade? Tata Power is India's largest integrated power company with businesses spanning generation, transmission, distribution, solar manufacturing, rooftop solar and EV charging. Unlike most power companies, Tata Power participates across the entire energy value chain, creating multiple growth engines under one roof. Despite short-term fluctuations, the company has delivered consistent revenue, EBITDA and profit growth over the last several years. The monthly chart remains structurally bullish, with the stock trading above all major long-term moving averages. The key level to watch is 480 rupees, where a decisive breakout could signal the beginning of the next major uptrend. While execution delays and regulatory risks remain, Tata Power offers one of the most compelling long-term clean energy stories in the Indian market. For detailed Techno-Funda stock analysis every week, join our Telegram community and subscribe to the channel.